Are you fed up of not knowing whether your Silica Gel Sachets are any good? Tired of having to buy new ones and throw old ones away because you're randomly superstitious about them? Introducing Silica Gel with yellow balls in it.
This stuff really saved my life.
I wouldn't swap back to normal silica gel for anything.
This is easily the best product I've ever seen in my whole life.
See, I told you I was doing a thing. Here's another episode. This one's about tiny balls. So I'm still doing this video about drying filament, and honestly, it is not going so well. I might have to break it up into smaller episodes because frankly, as it stands, it is long and boring. But while researching it, I found these. The yellow balls you see here are doped. I think that's the right word. Doped with a chemical called methyl violet. Maybe if there's any chemists out there, they can explain why it's called that, because it's definitely not violet. When the Silica Gel Sachet is saturated, they go green. Not just slightly not sure-y greeny, but full-on definitely obviously greeny. How good is that? Eh? Did you know though that these sachets are also reusable? Yes indeed, at least 500 times in fact. But did you know that you can do it with equipment that you already own? No, not the oven. I mean, it will work, but even easier than that. Printer bed. Set your print bed to 60 degrees C and spread them out on it. Leave them for as long as it takes to turn fully yellow, and then maybe a bit longer. Flipping them over halfway is a decent idea. You can also pile them into a specialist dryer or a basic food dehydrator. These ones say you can microwave them, but that scares the silica gel out of me. I will link these ones below. I still get no commission from this, so please feel free to search around instead of using my link. I would definitely avoid the blue ones because they are definitely toxic. The yellow ones, it depends where you read, but I mean, don't eat them. It says it on the packet. If at this point you're thinking, why do I even need silica gel? Then take it from me, I'm researching this stuff for the other video, and you should be storing all of your filament in sealed containers with silica gel. So go buy some of this stuff and make sure you've got some sealed containers as well. That's it for this episode. Now you know, assuming you didn't. Don't pretend you did. I know you didn't, but now you do. Thank you for watching.